Today I'm going to show you how to turn a regular pattern that does not have a straight hem into a straight hem pattern. The reason I wanted to do this is because my daughter Lillian likes more of a basic style shirt. The high-low hem, which is what this pattern has for the standard shirt length, isn't really her thing. She's more of an athletic, again, straight hem, basic type shirt person. So I wanted to take this shirt, which is the Dublin Dolman, and turn it into a straight hem. So as you can see on this pattern piece, they have lines for a banded hem, a high-low hem, or a tunic length. So the first thing we want to do is pretty much line up the pattern pieces. So the way you do this, I just put the front piece on the top of the back bodice piece. And for a dolman, the whole side should line up. So really I'm just lining up the sleeves and then the side. If you have a different pattern or one that's not a dolman or doesn't have this curved, you would want to line up the bottom of the armhole and the side pieces. And there should be a point somewhere at the hemline that's gonna show you that, yep, those line up perfectly. Everything should be trued up and line up. So we can see that here. And then next I wanted to take the length of a shirt that I know Lillian needs. So I measured from her shoulders down to the bottom of a shirt to the hemline, and that's for her was about 19 inches. You can measure this in two ways. You can either use a measuring tape or a ruler. I'm gonna use a ruler because it's flatter and just easier to use. So on here, my 19 inches is right here. I'm gonna line that up at the shoulder and then just basically measure down. On this one, it's gonna be super easy because there is a line here of where the paper pieces go together. So I just know that I need it to be a little bit longer than this last attachment line. So then I'm gonna split the two pieces and just kind of look at it. For me, because of this high-low hem, I'm just gonna take the bottom of that hem and take it all the way across. So the easiest way to do that is to line up the folded side, the place that you cut on the fold, with a line on your cutting mat, and then this other section on the line the opposite way. So then it's kind of squared up. So then I'm gonna place my ruler right on the line and draw a line across the front bodice piece. And then I always label mine right away, just so I know later when I'm not looking at it what that line is for. So then we're gonna do the same thing for the back bodice piece. Again, line it up with a straight line, and then just check this on a second one, and draw your line, and label. So now you can see on the pieces, there's a straight line across, and we can double check by lining these up again to make sure that they're at the same length, because if you have one longer or shorter, your shirt will be off, or your hem will be off. So if I fold that, you can see it's perfectly in line. So from there, you can just cut along this line, or you can just fold it and then cut your pattern piece out at that straight hemline instead of the ones that were on the actual pattern. So hopefully that helps you to be able to adjust a pattern that does not have a straight hem to have a straight hem so that it's still usable for any type of shirt or hem that you would like.